butter all over the camera.
Hey, you might get a better filter than half these chicks on Snapchat.
Oh! You get a better filter than all these guys on Snapchat. Hello friends, and welcome to The Starving Artist. Today, I'm going to teach you the similarities between tuning a snare drum and scrambling some eggs. Alright, so what came first, the chicken or the egg? I think the egg, because that's breakfast food. Anyway, so... Alright, so what came first, the chicken or the egg? I think it's the egg, because that's breakfast food. The way that you tune a snare drum is similar to the way you make scrambled eggs. So let's talk about the snare first. I got this really cool A&F pancake snare. This thing's awesome. We got a 6-lug pattern. So the way you tune a snare, we do it in star pattern. So we take the lug furthest from us, we go to the one closest to us, then we get the one furthest from there, and you take that pattern. So it makes a star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's take this up a little bit. Nice. Alright. And then we'll get to scrambling our eggs.
Nice.
First try. Hey, let's throw in some of that young salt. Like the Star Wars fandom, it's salt.
And the League one.
It's
and
all
Overwatch. And pretty much any video game or movie from that matter.
yes, it's all salt. All right, so let's get this over on the stove. Alright, we gotta mix in some milk. Let's throw in that young butter. Alright, let's throw that in there. Oh yeah. Look at that drip. Alright, so from here, let's take that star pattern. Furthest from us, to closest to us. Alright, take another star. Boom, 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 boom. See that? Doing this the Gordon Ramsay way. Alright, so you just gotta take this in that star pattern. Look at them eggs. Look how they curdle like that. Oh baby. This looks glorious. Oh mama. These are the kind of eggs you want to take to your mom for breakfast in bed. Fold them over each other. It's like origami with eggs. Alright, let's let the heat of the pan cook the rest of that. Alright. One. Now let's put this on toast, which I forgot to toast. Alright. Eggs are done. We got some toast chilling over there. Let's pull it out. Alright. Look at that toast. Oh. Who doesn't love toast? Like, you bake the bread once, and then some genius out there was like, you know what? We should bake it again. Oh, wow. That was awesome.
Wow.
Right. Let's just split up them eggs right down the middle. Just gotta lay it on there. Like when you're laying down the pocket on the drumstick. Aren't them some perfect eggs right there? Nice. Alright. Let's get them eggs. Hey, that actually looks pretty cool.
Yeah. Puncture those. Gotta put in that shuffle like.
Getting butter all over the camera.
Hey, you might get a better filter than half these chicks on Snapchat.
Oh! You get a better filter than all these guys on Snapchat.
That actually looked pretty sick.
Hey, look at them eggs. Listen to them sizzle. Ooh, that sounds bomb. Boy, mama. Look at that. Oh, let's put this on there. Just lay that right there. Oh, baby. Look at that.
Ooh, baby.
And yes, I'm wearing socks with my flip-flops.
Socks and sandals.
Matching socks are bad luck.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
Boy, mama. Look at that. Just look at that. Oh. We eating nice tonight. Or to this morning.
Nice.
What do the weeps say when we eat?
Itadakimasu!
Itadakimasu!
Desu desu! Desu desu konnichiwa. I don't know any more Japanese. I'm sorry, I'm a bad weeb. Us to the food.
The bomb?
It's pretty good. Nice and fluffy. Mucho bomb.
Oh look, aqua, useless. So if you guys like what you saw today on The Starving Artist, you can like and subscribe to prevent me from starving more. Or not, because, you know, what artist needs to eat, right? And then you can also follow me on Instagram at thestarvingartist001. Check out some more content there on a daily basis, hopefully on a daily basis. And we'll see you another time with some more scrambled eggs. Or maybe not scrambled eggs, but more cooking.